Yeah, good day, guys. How you guys doing? Here is my weekly review again. A lot of things happened last week to me in the market. Yes, a lot of things happened to me in the market, and I think it should serve as a correction to other traders. Please learn to switch your bias as quick as possible when trading the forex market. Do not because of this is what your analysis says to you, and see a swing in the market and decide not to go along with the swing and swing against the tide, you're gonna pay for it dearly for it. My only rescue last week was my risk management. Yes, my risk management last week. Last week I knew the market was going to drop, was going to sell. Not looking at my higher time frame, which was my daily time frame, that the market was actually on a retracement, on a retracement, a correction, not an impulsive move. So I was trying to initiate an impulsive move where there's no impulsive move last week. So which means I was looking for more of sales last week, even when I'm supposed to look for buys, I'm looking for sales. So it really hit me hard last week. You can see a lot of my trades. This was a failed trade for me. Last week I had how many trades now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 10, 11, 12, 12. These 12, these are 12 trades. 12. I lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. Yes, I lost 5. I won 6, I lost 5. But those losses are crazy, yeah, are crazy. Because there are some things there are some days in the market that you think the market should drop. I was actually seeing this as a question of liquidity. Yes, I was as a question of liquidity. I was expecting the huge drop to just clear it off and a lot of things like that. A lot of things like that. A lot of things happen in the market. So what saved me last week was my risk management. Yes, was my risk management. That's why risk management is very, very important. I think I'm going to do a video on risk management and the reason why. Okay, let me briefly explain the reason why I took some of the trades I took and what are the things I'm saying. Uh, Around this point here, I saw a trend line. I saw a trend line here. Yeah, I saw a trend line here. Yeah, exactly. So I thought this guys was an overextension. This was the trend line. So I thought this guys was an overextension of that trend line. Because normally when the downtrend, so we should expect most of sell than buys. So then I start taking my sales when I supposed to take buys, understand? So I've taken me out here, I enter again. Some people will be saying, why don't I leave the market and shift my stop loss? No, you don't approach the market that way. If you open a position with your stop loss intact, you don't think after a trade. You think before you trade. You don't think after you initiate a trade and that my stop loss is too. No. Even if the market is going to hit your stop loss, leave it, let it hit it, and come back and open another position again. Don't ever inculcate the habit of shifting stop loss. It's a very bad psychology of trading, very bad way of trading, behavior of trading rather. So I don't shift my stop loss. So I count as a loss as a missed trade for me. Then I entered it again. Then after seeing this kind of schematics, then the market rallied up. I was worried. Really, what happened? So I entered again at London session, at New York session rather. New section. Then same thing. So then I changed my bias to buys. Then I start buying. I had a WhatsApp of 50 pips here. Then same here. A lot of things happened during the week. Yeah. So yeah, yeah. I last week I was funny. So funny. Yeah, I thought this as a break and retest. So I had something like this. I had something like this. I had something like this last week. I think my entry was around yes. Sorry, not this one. It's going to be this one. My entry was around now, and my stop loss was around was around Now I'm targeting at least. let me just say 70 pips or something like that. So the market rallied up during Asian session and start dropping during. So a lot of crazy things happened. I'm telling you, a lot of crazy things happened. So that was last week trade, sha. So it wasn't really okay for me because I used to have at least 70% win, 60% win. Well, so that's for last week. So then when I see buys, after taking all those losses here, I had to be now very patient with the trade, with trading now. So automatically see what happened here. This was a trend, this was a trend. The market broke it out, had a little bit of rejection, then broke it out again. I immediately took the buy here this trend line because I know I should be doing more buys this week. And that was the same thing I had my psychology around here too. My psychology around here too. My psychology around there too. After seeing this candle retest on this trend line, I knew this was a manipulation to hunt the sales. I actually knew it was a manipulation to hunt the sell. So I actually had my stop loss like this, around like this here. Yes, exactly like this. So I was targeting 3:1. Yes, something like this. So I was actually risking on 1 to gain 3. So it's a worthy trade for me. So though my stop loss is my lot size was kind of low, but it was a worthy trade for me. Yeah. So I took the trade. So I knew the market is going to hunt down. And I posted this on my status, it was a hunt. So then the market started dropping. Okay. So this week, what should we expect for this week? We should expect at least a 200 pips bearish movement. You're hearing it here on this channel, on this YouTube video first. On NZZ US dollars, you should expect at least 200 pips, in which I'm in. I'm already taking my sell now. Let me try and see if I can share my trade with you. Yeah, so let me share my screen now. I'm on this trade already with a 0.4 lot size and I'm targeting over 200 pips. Yes. So the reason I'm using 0.4 is due to my risk management parameters. So if the market will be going against me, I'll be losing not up to 200. I'm making sure it's not up to $200 I'm losing. But if I'm winning up to $1,000 or maybe it's 800. So let me just share my trades with you guys so you guys can see I'm already on the trade. So this is it. I'm already on the trade already. So and see my stop loss at that peak there. So and this is what I'm currently on. I'm up over $70. So that's that on that, my people. So you guys should make sure you guys are patient with the market. Don't force the market. Don't push the market. Allow the market to play out. Allow the market to act. Then you react. So you guys should always make sure you trade what you see and you see what you trade. As a trader, you need to act like a robot. You don't think after you execute a trade. You think before you execute a trade. You guys should have a nice time in the market. I pray for more profitable week. Okay. So that's just my review for last week. You guys should have a nice time, guys.